Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a handy tutorial for those of you using the Pokemon Go Plus Plus and wondering how to turn off vibration. Whether you're looking for a more discreet experience or just want a break from the buzz, let's dive into the steps to activate and deactivate vibration on your device. Before we get started, make sure you have your Pokemon Go Plus Plus handy. Now, let's jump right in. To activate the silent mode, all you need to do is simultaneously press the buttons at the top and middle of your Pokemon Go Plus Plus device. Watch closely as I press both buttons. Just like that, the device will vibrate twice, indicating that it's now in silent mode. This means it won't produce any vibrations, sounds, or lights associated with user interactions. Keep in mind that this fully silent feature is exclusive to Pokemon Sleep. If your Pokemon Go Plus Plus is connected to Pokemon Go, it will still vibrate and light up when catching a Pokemon, even if the silent mode is turned on. And there you have it. Controlling the vibration settings on your Pokemon Go Plus Plus is as simple as activating silent mode. If this tutorial was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Pokemon tips, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for watching.